So today was a really big day for me. I just got back from flying an airplane solo for the first time, and I'm still kind of processing it. I've been wanting to do this for a very, very long time. So this video, if you want to skip to here, is just me flying an airplane for the first time, but I want to talk a little bit about why I have been way less active on the channel. It basically boils down to this. I've done a lot of thinking and reflecting on my life recently, and the opportunities and experiences I've had through paramotoring have been, I mean, words can't even describe. But at this point, the schedule of doing a video a week, I've realized is not really healthy for me. I love filmmaking when it's something special and I want to share that. I will still continue to post here, I promise. But as I'm looking towards my future, continuing on this path as I have been doesn't really make sense for other goals. I mean, to be honest, there's really just not that much money in paramotoring to begin with, and there's not that many facets of the industry to explore as a career. So I decided in June that the right choice for me would be to start pursuing aviation as a career, because in my eyes it's this wonderful intersection of what I think I could be good at in the future, something I love, and something I can definitely get paid to do. So I'm in the baby stages of it right now. I'm working on my private pilot's license. Over the winter and into the spring, I plan to get my commercial instrument rating and my CFI. I can teach you how to fly an airplane, but really I just wanted to express some gratitude for what this YouTube channel has allowed me to do over the past 4 years. Thank you very much.
It's 3 stop and goes, right?
Okay.
Be smooth, all that kind of stuff. I'll close the door behind me.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
You don't need a run up, so when you call up, you just let them know run up complete as well.
Okay.
And yeah,
Thank you, buddy.
perfect. Yes, sir.
Alright, enjoy. Thank you. Alright, camera.
Let's go solo an airplane. Prepper ground, Archer 4496 Foxtrot is a student solo with information. Charlie requesting 3 full stops.
Archer 4496 Foxtrot, Prepper ground, runway 18 taxi at Charlie, advise ramp, please verify you 8 is Charlie.
8 is Charlie. We'll just make them stop and goes. We don't need to taxi back. 96 Foxtrot.
Archer 96 Foxtrot, Archer.
I'm flying an airplane by myself. I'll switch to tower.
You too.
Pro Tower, Archer 4496 Foxtrot is a student solo holding short, runway 18.
Archer 4496 Foxtrot, Pro Tower, hold short runway 18.
Hold short 18, 96 Foxtrot.
Whew. I feel nervously excited. I know I'm ready for this. I visualized this so many times, falling asleep, just thinking about all of the things I'll say and how it's gonna go, but there's something about being in these moments in life where you're just like, this is it right now. This is a huge moment in my life. There's no one here. Okay, doors latched, doors latched. Flaps are set to 0. I love my trim. Vents are open because it's hot out.
Archer 4496 Foxtrot, make right traffic, runway 13, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
Make right traffic, runway 13, runway 18, clear for takeoff, 96 Foxtrot.
Tower,
So
runway
curious
18,
how this
line
plane's gonna climb
boy.
solo.
Runway 18, line up and away, clear check 198.
Alright. Here we go. Full throttle, on the center line, airspeed's alive.
3, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
60 knots, rotate.
Runway 18, clear for takeoff.
We're flying solo.
Archer 9629 kilo, Bravo Tower, runway 18, line up and wait.
Climbing out at 76.
18, line up and wait, Archer 200 kilo.
He's watching me. There's 5,000, we'll turn our crosswind. Getting on the downwind for my 1 tree.
Archer 4496 Foxtrot, runway 13, clear stop and go. After stop and go, make left, close traffic.
Runway 13, clear stop and go. After stop and go, make left, close traffic, 96 Foxtrot.
Start configuring here, pulling our power. There's flaps 10.
Clear check 190, follow the Cherokee, number 2, runway 13, clear the line.
Flaps 25.
Bravo Tower, Archer 30270.
70
Pitch to the right
knots on
downwind for
final.
runway 13270.
A little high, 3 white, 1 red. 65 over the fence. On the glide slope. Pulling power to idle. My first solo plane.
46, frequency change approved. Frequency change approved, 146.
Cleaning up those flaps. Easy on the brakes. I'm really happy with that landing. There's a full stop. Burp. No, it's just lifting. There's 60, rotate. Climbing out at 76.
Roger, 96 Foxtrot, stable, start your crosswind.
Say again for 96 Foxtrot.
Roger, 96 Foxtrot, stable, start your left crosswind.
Left crosswind, 96 Foxtrot.
Roger, 96 Foxtrot, runway 13, clear, stop and go from the Diamond Star, 6 mile final.
Runway 13, clear, stop and go for the Diamond Star, 96 Foxtrot.
Diamond Star, 6 Mike Lima, number 2, following Cherokee, final half left base, runway 13, clear to land.
There's our second notch of flaps. Our pappies. There's 70 on final. 2 white, 2 red. There's 66.
Archer 270 is able to turn base, number 2 following Cherokee short final from the Diamond Star, 3 mile final, runway 13, clear, touch and go.
Clear, touch and go, 13, turning base right now, 270.
That's 6 Mike Lima, following a Cherokee 1 mile right base, 4 seconds second.
I'll look up for travel follow them is down.
Really funny.
That pick is that 616 Mike Lima.
knots. Woohoo!
Archer 96 Foxtrot, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 96 Foxtrot.
Archer 96 Foxtrot, number 2, following Cessna, short final, runway 13, clear to land. Correction, clear, stop and go.
Runway 13, clear, stop and go. We'll make that a full stop, 96 Foxtrot.
Archer 96 Foxtrot, roger, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 13, 96 Foxtrot.
We're a ways away from the airport.
Pro Tower holding short 1.
I'm gonna configure the flaps on the final. Okay, on the glide slope, below our flap speed, we'll just go right to flaps 25. 2 white, 2 red. Down to idle.
Pro Tower helicopter 7, Uniform Hotel, requesting frequency change.
Helicopter 7, Uniform Hotel, frequency change approved, that's your flight.
Frequency change approved, thanks.
There she is. Lay up those
Archer
flaps.
270, base turn approved, runway 13, clear, touch and go, traffic party.
We're gonna get Alpha 3.
Archer 96 Foxtrot, turn left Alpha 3, contact ground.
Turn left, Alpha 3, contact ground, 96 Foxtrot. Thank you so much.
Ground runway 18, taxi Alpha Charlie, advisor complete.
Private ground, Archer 4496 Foxtrot, holding short Alpha 3, request taxi to north ramp.
Archer 4496 Foxtrot, firm ground taxi Alpha, hold short runway Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha, hold short runway 18 at Alpha, 96 Foxtrot.
Archer 4496 Foxtrot, cross runway 18 at Alpha, taxi north ramp Alpha Charlie, no delay to Charlie, please for the Legion obstruction.
Taxi north ramp via Alpha Charlie, crossing runway 18, 4496 Foxtrot.
Zoom, zoom. Hi, Allegiant. One day. Just gotta park. Let's do our shutdown checklist here. Cool, flaps are up, car beats off, fuel pump is off, strobes off, landing light off, taxi lights as required, pitot heats off, trim set to takeoff still, avionics off.
Cool. Well, that's fun. Thank you, buddy. Sick, dude. That was so fun.
Oh yeah.
It's so light. Cool. All right. That's all for now.